Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use one-click tools to section the face of the cabinet and add doors. I've got a cabinet. To section the face of the cabinet, select the tool Section Face. And when it is selected, these tools are active for the face. We can use them just like the way we use them for the inside of the cabinet. For example, split horizontally. In the equation box, I can type in the equal parts or the values. So select the tool, type in the values to divide from top to bottom or bottom to top. For example, 634. And then left click on the face. Now the face of the cabinet has been divided. I can also resize the division. Select the tool Division Sheet Adjust and then resize it. To add door, select the tool Edit and then select the section. Tick Door to add doors. The doors can be vertically split or horizontally split by ticking or unticking the box. Split equation, we can also divide them equally by 3 or type in the values for different parts. For example, 200, a comma, 300, and then enter. So from left to right, it's 200, 300, and the rest. Inset. Now the doors are covering the side panels. For example, inset 17, then it goes inside. We can also type in a negative value. For example, -17, then it goes out. It's just for demonstration. Safe is a safe gap between the doors. For example, 2 millimeters. For left gap, right gap, top gap, bottom gap, we can also type in a negative or positive value. Positive, then it goes inside. Negative, then it goes outside. Now top gap, 50 millimeters. An example for a negative value. And then we can use Resize Panel tool to adjust the doors. For example, resize it. Drag it to the midpoint of the divider. And do the same for the lower part. Add doors. Here, top gap 25, for example. And to remove doors, select the tool Edit, select the section, and then tick None to remove doors. And to delete the sections, select Remove Division to remove individual sections. And to remove all this face section, select this tool and then confirm Yes to remove section face. So this is how we use the tools to section face and add doors. Thank you for watching.